Hey, welcome. This is a tutorial on how to place a rental order online. This is our nationwide shipping at screntalwarehouse.com. So first we want to go to screntalwarehouse.com, hit enter. Once you do this, you'll automatically be taken to our home page here. We're going to do the flatware. So you come over here. We're going to do the King Arthur flatware rental. It's the gold. As you scroll down, we're going to do the dinner fork. You got to click on each individual item that you want. So we're going to click on the dinner fork here. As you click on the dinner fork, you'll be able to scroll down and see the different pictures we have in here, layouts, stuff like that. But this is how to reserve it. So what you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to see what date you have. So you'll notice that today is February 6, 2022, that this recording is being done, which is right here, and it's blacked out. So that we give ourselves 2 weeks is what it's doing. If you need it for February 19th, you can give us a call and we can see what we can accomplish. However, we're going to assume that this is farther out than 2 weeks, and we're going to say the event date is on February 26th. What you want to do is you want to choose the day before, and then you want to choose the day after. Enter your quantity. We're going to do 100. We're going to click rent. When you do that, it's going to auto update. It's going to tell us that they were added to the cart here, and we can click on our shopping cart. Of course, at this time, you can go and add other pieces that you want. You do not have to add King Arthur if you're doing like multi-events. So if you're a wedding planner or something like that, you need 4 different types of flatware. You can order them all within the time frame if they're all within that date. So then we're going to go ahead and go to view our cart. And I'm just doing this the long way just to make sure we understand what we're looking at. So our event date's on February 26th. Our start date is February 25th, and our end date is February 27th. This means your flatware will arrive before February 25th, and it is due back after February 27th or the next business day. So if for some reason that Monday was a holiday and the shipping companies were not running that day, you would do it back on Tuesday then. So we hear it's $83. Anything under $83, we have a handling fee of $25. Now, if we take this up to 150 pieces, we'll click Update Cart. You'll notice that I'm now over the $100 mark, and there is now free shipping and no handling fee. So now we can go to checkout. We enter in our information. So this would be screntalwarehouse@gmail.com. A fictitious email we'll put in there. ABC, DEF, SC Rental Warehouse, we'll ship it to ourselves. This can be your first name, our address, sites. We're in Indiana, a Midwest company, New Haven, just outside of Fort Wayne, our phone number. We're going to choose the free shipping, of course, and that free shipping is free shipping to you and free shipping back to us, 100% free. We click next. Here's your contract. This is where it gets kind of tricky. So you want to click on this information here. Then you want to type in your information here. Oops. I'll just do ABC, DEF, or you can draw it, whichever you prefer. You can pay by credit card, or you can pay by PayPal here, whichever one you prefer. Once you do that, you'll get an order number. Before you place it though, just make sure you confirm your start date and your end date. This is really important to make sure you check that. But that's always how you place your order online at screntalwarehouse.com. Hope this was helpful. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to us at 260-267-6730.